Imagine you just unboxed your shiny new Ooma device, eager to start making free calls. But then you're hit with a wall activation. Don't worry, we've got you covered. So you've got your Ooma device, you've plugged it in, and you're ready to rock and roll. But how do you actually get it up and running? Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before anything else, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. Ooma relies on a solid internet connection to function properly. Open your web browser and visit a website. If it loads quickly, your internet is likely good to go. Step 2. Locate the activation code. Your Ooma device should come with a physical activation code. This code is unique to your device and is essential for activating it. Look through the packaging or the included documentation to find the activation code. It's usually a series of numbers and letters. Step 3. Create an Ooma account. If you don't already have an Ooma account, you'll need to create one. This is where you'll manage your account settings, view your call history, and access other Ooma features. Visit the Ooma website and click on the Sign Up button. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Step 4. Activate your device. Now that you have an account, it's time to activate your Ooma device. Here's how to do it. Log in to your Ooma account. Click on the My Devices tab. Click on the Add Device button. Enter your activation code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once you've entered your activation code, Ooma will verify it and activate your device. Step 5. Configure your phone. After activating your device, you'll need to configure your phone to work with Ooma. This process will vary depending on your phone's operating system. For most phones, you'll need to add a new account to your phone settings. Select the Ooma option. Enter your Ooma username and password. Once you've configured your phone, you should be able to make and receive calls using your Ooma device. Troubleshooting tips. If you're having trouble activating your Ooma device, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. Make sure you entered the correct activation code. Verify that you're logged in to the correct Ooma account. Try restarting your Ooma device and your phone. Contact Ooma customer support for assistance. Additional features to explore. Once your Ooma device is activated, you can explore some of its additional features, such as caller ID. See who's calling before you answer. Call blocking. Block unwanted calls. Voicemail. Listen to your voicemail messages online or by phone. 911 emergency service. Make emergency calls from your Ooma device. And there you have it. That's how to activate your Ooma device and start making free calls. With a little setup, you'll be up and running in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.